You just add fish snacks. This is what happens. Hey! Sebastian's turned on. Bird. Bird. Look at you, Sebastian. Hey!
Who is it? Who's there?
Okay.
Come in.
Hey!
Oh, Brad.
You're expressing yourself to the max, Sebastian.
I hope so, my darling.
So, it's because we're watching the Rocky Horror.
You tricked me. I wouldn't have. I've never.
Yes, I know. But it isn't all bad.
Okay, hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Pleasurable.
Stop. I mean, help.
Brad, will be asleep by now. Do you want him to see you like this?
Like this, like that. Oh, just you're to blame. I was saving myself.
Bitch.
Yes.
You're making me. Yeah, I'll hold your hand. I'll hold you. Does that make you feel better, Nick? You're not gonna eat fish snacks in a while. You get you so turned up, dude.